Namaste. Today I am presenting a new video, what weight loss does for your body. It improves everything from lungs function to memory. You know that losing weight is good for you, but did you realize how good from your memory to your breathing? Shedding pounds if you are overweight can have positive effects all over your body. First, lungs. Losing 5-10% of your weight has been shown to reduce breath, lengths, and improve lung functions. This can make a big difference to your body today to day-to-day life. Says dietitian Caroline Pallister. Being able to walk upstairs without getting out of breath sound simple, but it can be life changing. Liver. Shedding pounds helps prevent fat building up in the liver. If not deal with a fatty liver can cause scarring and in some cases lead to liver cancer or liver failure, says Vanessa Habidich from the British Liver Trust. But these good news too, once people manage to lose weight, they are able to reverse the damage and restore their liver to a normal state. Back. While being overweight can make you more prone to back pain, slimming down and moving more can help prevent it in the first place, and it can speed up your recovery. Weight loss removes extra pounds that are hard work to your muscle and spin to carry, says Tim Allardyce, clinical director of Surifisto. Boyle. According to the UK charity Beating Bowel Cancer, there's stronger evidence than ever that being overweight increase your risk of developing the disease. Being a healthy weight may help protect you from bowel cancer, and eating plenty of fruit, veg, and whole grain can reduce your risk too. Brain. Not only could maintaining a healthy weight help keep the brain working nicely as you get older, it can also perk it up. Research suggests memory and executive function, the mental processes that help get things done, can both improve after weight loss. Breasts. If you are overweight, losing 5% of your body weight or more can keep it off, lowers your risk of breast cancer by 25 to 40%, says Dr. Michelle Harvey, research dietitian from Prevent Breast Cancer. Knees. If your BMI is 30 or more, you are more likely to develop over osteoarthritis of the knees, says the expert Professor Phillips Conahan from the University of Leeds. But every half kg you lose result in a fourfold reduction in the load you put on the knees. So losing Even a small amount of weight can make a big difference to the strain or weight bearing joints. Feet. Carrying excess weight can affect the way you walk, with feet wider apart and toes pointed outwards, says Fran Campbell from the London Pediatry Centre. This lowers the foot arch, making feet less stable and can lead to problems such as foot knee, hip, and lower back pain. However, losing weight can improve symptoms in a little as 12 weeks. Heart. Slim down and benefit to your heart is actually visible, says doctor at Washington University School of Medicine in the US. Their study found that losing 10% of body weight was linked to a decrease in heart size and artery thickness, which are both good news for your heart attack risk. Other all over benefits, I will tell you, it's not just a specific parts of your body that gets a boost when you slim down. Losing weight helps protect us from a number of health problems, and losing just 5-10% of your body weight and keeping it off can start to bring several benefits. Here I can say just few. A few type 2 diabetes, losing excess weight helps improve how your body responds to insulin, and according to a US study, for every kg you lose, your risk of developing type 2 diabetes reduces by 16%. Fertility, being a healthy weight improves your chances of getting pregnant both naturally and IVF, says Narendra Pisal, consultant gynecologist at London Gynecology. Extra weight can upset the balance of hormones that affect fertility, such as estrogen and insulin, high blood pressure. If you are overweight, losing weight cuts your risk of developing high blood pressure, and if it's already high, it helps bring it down. That means a lower risk of heart problem or stroke, as well as good news for your kidney, eyesight, and sexual function. Libido. In UK survey, the number of women having sex at least once a week rose from 44 to 57% after they started losing their weights.